Hello, I'm architect Sarojini here, and it's an initiative to go online from the When India group. I'm very happy to be here and show up my works as a jewelry designer who's into tribal jewelry, basically, tribal and fusion jewelry. So, a bit about my work is that I'm more into looking at how we can bring in jewelry into the urban context. How we look at jewelry more so is an ethnic wear, and how we try and interpret it as saying that this won't go with this might not look good on this. So we have these kind of notions and inhibitions which are there in our minds. The whole idea here is how we can look at Indian motifs, Indian ideas on daily wearables. So that's how I want to go about the talk today. So I have a presentation which will be shown online. We can go about and see what are the products and how we can see them going up. So this is about what I was advertising regarding a sip of coffee online with When India, and I'm trying to reintroduce jewelry as an easy daily wearable accessories with lightweight, earth-friendly, eco-friendly kind of approaches. Yeah. So what we can see here is that it's about the brand that I own. I am the designer of the brand. It's called the Bengaluru Tribal Wear, where the philosophy of the brand is how we look at urban and tradition, which becomes a fusion kind of approach. So what we see on the left hand side is the faces of the tribal women, the rural women who are so happily emoting what they wear and how they appear with their tradition alive. On the right hand side, we look at urban women who have their own aura and how they present themselves, and that's very evident of most of the those whom we come across. I've also tried to put in here two age groups in both of them. So you have the rural women who are also of two age groups, and the urban women who are of two age groups. So what I'm trying to say in the other slides is that there is no age bar where you need to explore yourself and how you can wear stuff of different ideas and categories. So I want to present today something which is a very it's like a product which is used very very less. In what I have noticed, basically these are about scarves. So when we look at scarves and when we Google any image to do with scarves, these are what come to our minds. And this is what a Google image would look like when we look at scarves. So it's basically a piece of cloth or a fabric, and depends on what season we are in or what is the kind of climate or what is the occasion. Based on that, we look at how it appears on us and what is the attire we are wearing. So more so, it's to do with Western wear is what we have come across here. So I want to show what is my take on this product of scarves. So these are some ideas which I have tried to put over plain attire, or plain tops that we call. So this is basically an opaque black scarf, and then you have a printed one, and then you have a tribal printed multicolor one. So how we can look at wearing these on various tops or clothing, that is what I've started to show my presentation about. So you can look at the black with like a multi-stranded design, and then you have a tribal design with the orange print, and then the third one is a multicolor tribal print. Basically it's a batik print with a single choker. Because it's a loud print, I've just taken one element there. And in this one, what we are trying to see is that it's all monotonal approach, which means only one color, one idea, one. I mean, it's more like there are many people who don't, uh, you know, they want to see that no, I like it very toned down. I can't wear loud colors. So when that is the case, we look at earthy colors and earthy approaches with nice prints and emboss. So this is what you can see in these monotonal infinity scarves. So what does it mean by infinity scarf? There is no end to it. So what happens is the scarf can be worn either in the center or the motif piece comes onto the side. But in the previous one, what we saw is that there are two ends with a design that comes on this. So these are open scarves. Here I've taken all the floral kind of prints which add floral and like this. as in like no multicolored kind of approach, and these are also infinite scarves. And next I'm going to show how it looks on when people come and wear and try, and then they decide whether it looks good on them. So that's what is the next few slides about. So you see live from my exhibitions and stalls where people, I mean, like women come, they just try it out on whatever they wear. So the whole idea of my tribal wear brand is that we go out and say that yes, this looks good on anything that you're wearing. So they can style it in whichever form, on jeans, on skirts, on long skirts, or frocks, or it can be like a single piece dress. So these are some of the live exhibition images where you can see the smiles on people's faces, and whoever's along with them, they all like suggest each other, how does it look? Does it look? Does it go with me as a person? So, like in this slide, what it is a group of friends who are with me, who are my friends and who've actually bought my products. We had a shoot that was in like no Freedom Park. This is the image on the right side, and on the left side, what you're seeing image is a group of classical dancers who had come to an event. So they really came and they gave such happy feedback. So that was a good like no feel that classical dancers also come, and they it is a good update that I get, that yes, they are also saying yes to this. So I'm getting it's like no multi-dimensional kind of ideas from this. So these are all from events where they buy, they don't take a bag to put the scarf in, they come on whatever they're wearing, they wear it, and they say, they actually return to my stall and say, I got a lot of queries regarding this. So you'll have other people who come and talk about this. So you can see that there are many ideas that are here. Whatever print, I work with it. Whatever color, I like to explore. So you can see that you can work. I work with black. I work with multicolor. I work with like hard material, like it's like gamcha fabric, which is quite a hard material. Then this is a collage of again the same product, and this one on the left hand, you can see that they're a group of friends. I think they're in the early, it's like 50s or maybe late 40s. They are also happy. So it's not that these elements or these ideas are meant for a certain category of age group or anything like that. And me myself being in like mid 40s, I really want to take it up and explore with more people and how I can take it forward. This is not a variety of tribal wear as such. I'm just trying to get influenced by the motifs or the pendants or the ornaments that can go in, where you can see this, it's like the centerpiece that is there, that has got the Indian motif. So in my earlier slides, you can see that like whatever is the neck piece that is there, that has an Indian motif, and it has some sort of tribal approach to it. So I'm trying to bring in those ideas into whatever we can wear, with like this, and with our daily wear attire, it goes on like t-shirts also, tops, kurtas, all of those. So they come as friends and they come as groups, they come with the families, and when it is an indulging session where each other like they talk to one another and they give opinions, that is another time that they spare to understand what is going behind this, and then the approval that all of them give to each other, that is what gives me a more of uh, of like a validation as a designer, which is very important to us to go ahead and think of something which is out of the box. So this is how I have styled my all the scarves that have come about in the past years. I will give my details of my Instagram link and also my website, and also my phone number. You can please contact me. I will show you whatever available designs are there with me right now. And I would like to thank you all for the opportunity to display my work and for your time. And also, I'm grateful to When India for giving me the chance to come and show my work. And there is an online sale on 26th of this month. please, all of you support us. We are a women's group who are into these kind of activities. So please help us out. And I have one of these which I would like to show. I'm wearing a printed top. So this top, and there's a design this way. So what happens is, in spite of there being a print and then the scarf also being printed, I feel that there is an add to what I'm wearing. It was a plain top all this while, and suddenly there is a bling that is added. So this adds to the feel of what it is, and of course the occasion we are going to, or if it's a meeting, or if it's a friends an outing with friends. So this is how I look at and imagine styling. I hope you like the session. Thank you so much.